Hi guys, today we are doing a crazy project. We are fitting 2 central spine staircases in 8 hours. Yes, 2 in 8 hours. They are going just here, one above another, and it is going to be unbelievable. I'm going to talk you through the whole process. Let's go. So the first stage of fitting this central spine staircase is the central spine has to be in position and the correct position. So we've cut out the plasterboard at the top, ready to screw the plate into the joist. Let's go. So the time is 9:30. The boys are now starting. Let's see if I can do it. So they're just installing the central spine now, getting it in position, ready for the treads to go. You might be wondering, how do they know this staircase is dead straight? Well, what we do is we put the first and last step on with a 20mm packer against the wall, so we know that staircase is perfect. Now, let's get the treads on, and they're all CNC'd in factory, so they just slot straight in. How they're actually fixed is from underneath going into the tread, as you'll see now. One thing I must mention is these treads are solid oak, and the client has gone for the colour grey. So guys, the treads are on all the way up this first staircase, and it is only 9:51. So it took 21 minutes to complete these treads. Let's see how fast we can do the second one. So on to the second staircase. The first one is complete, now on to the second. So we're going to do the same exact thing for the top, where we're going to drill the top in to the joist, but the bottom is going to be very different. On the first staircase, we drill into the floor, but on this one, there is a steel beam that we're going to be welded into. This is interesting. Let's go. Boys are just getting this central spine in place. It's nearly in. When it's screwed in, I'm going to show you. So it is now 10:56. Let's see how quick we can get these treads off. You're not going to believe this, but it's actually now 11:05. That took the guys 9 minutes to install that staircase. Now, onto the glass. So now the first piece of the 2-piece balustrade is being installed. I cannot wait to show you what this is going to look like. So if all of you are wondering how the glass is actually installed, it is pre-holed already in factory, and then all the boys have got to do is just screw it straight in. Now it's time to install the second piece of glass balustrade. Let's get it lined up. As you know, it's very important to get the glass dead level, so this bit here is dead straight. So now on to the next stage, the boys are getting the glass balustrade on the landing on, ready for the fascia. Now for the finishing touches, this is what's really important. The fascia's going on and it matches the colour of the treads, and when the caps go on the treads as well, they'll all be the same colour, and this will then be complete. fascia, let's go and do the second one, starting with the glass balustrade. And you're all probably wondering what the time is. So one is complete. This one's half complete, and it is 1:19. So that means it's only been about 4 hours. Now this is impressive. So now the second staircase has the glass balustrade on. All we've got to do is finish the glass around the landing. So that is it, guys. 2 staircases in 1 day. And you're probably thinking, did you do it in under 8 hours like we said? Well, the answer is with ease. It is now 4 o'clock. That means it only took 6.5 hours to complete this build. Let me show you around. Guys, if you want your dream staircase just like these, visit ddclondon.co.uk and get yours now.